In this training session, I'm going to explain the subtotal or the F1 option. I've got some items, so I'm going to press F1 on my keyboard, or you could have clicked with your mouse on the F1 button. What we now have in front of us is our tender media screen. I will talk about the tender media setup a little later. But what we can now do is we've got to say, how are we receiving money from this client? So you can choose cash, credit card, check. You can specify if it must be a gift voucher, a coupon. If you click on more, you can specify bank transfer, debit card, other, or discount. In the next few sessions, I will work through these options. I'm going to click on back so we can start with cash. If I choose cash, I can type in the amount of money I receive from that client. As soon as I press enter, it's going to show me my change. But what I can do is I can say I'm receiving 291 Rand and 85 Rand in cash. As soon as you press enter, it tells me that there is still money remaining. I can then say, okay, I would like to pay the rest by credit card. Here I can now choose my credit card, and here I type in the credit card number and I type in the expiry date. As soon as I press enter and enter again, it will conclude my sale. If I now show you, if I close my screen here and I take you to view sales so I can actually show you the sale, I'm going to click on report and preview. Here you will now see that I've actually used two tender medias. Part of it was cash and the other was a Visa card. So that is just a little bit of how to use your tender media. In other words, I can use cash or credit card, or you can combine a tender media option. And that concludes cash sales, tender media.